Let's do this.
Sonic the Hedgehog spun his way onto the silver screen, releasing two very successful blockbusters, pleasing young and old fans alike. But who's voicing these characters to success? We're taking you down a quick path of all the voices and characters of the Sonic the Hedgehog films. Number 1. We think if anything's gotta be done right in a live-action Sonic film, it's gotta be his personality. And who else better than Ben Schwartz to take on the title character? He's no stranger to voice acting, with a slew of animated appearances, his first being Disney's Turbo as Skidmark. But once the Blue Hedgehog landed in his repertoire, he was excited to give fans what they wanted.
It's so fun to dive into the mythology and to give the fans more of what they want.
In terms of physical movement, he had an easier time than most of the cast, just keeping his voice in tip-top shape. Number 2. Who wasn't excited for Colleen O'Shaughnessy to return to the classic role of Tails? We certainly were.
It is an honor to finally meet you, Sonic.
Her impressive voice acting resume extends from anime to classic video game franchises. Top credits go towards her work as the voice of Tails from the video games, instantly gaining approval from the die-hard fan base. With such a large attachment to the character, it was no surprise that director Jeff Fowler wanted her to play the titular role again. And she was all in to return to the mic for the Flying Fox, fighting alongside a version of Sonic that she's never met. Number 3. Idris Elba has got the voice for voice acting. We've witnessed his career span across multiple genres, from TV comedies to action blockbuster films.
You're no match for me.
Surprisingly though, he's kind of just gotten into the whole voice actor industry, obtaining his first animated role in Disney's Zootopia, and just working his way up from there, eventually grabbing the title role of one of Sonic's nemesis, Knuckles. Elba felt eager to take on the gig, but really didn't want to disappoint fans. We felt he nailed his interpretation, and is certainly a hand in punching this film to the top of the box office.
I love Knuckles, he's just like, straight to the point.
Number 4. This actor needs no introduction. He's funny-faced his way into fans' hearts over the past couple of decades.
The bigger the ego, the bigger the mustache.
Jim Carrey's cartoonish persona on screen has always brought him opportunities to get even more zany on set, but for him to take the role of Dr. Robotnik, well, it took quite the convincing from his grandson to finally concede to filmmakers' requests.
I started playing it with my grandson, who humiliated me constantly.
All those losses really helped mold his vision of the character, and really lost him a lot of money apparently.
I get angry, I put money in the swear jar.
Number 5. Actor James Marsden rocks his role as the adopted father of Sonic, a title his character earned by taking in the little alien as his own. With ample experience working alongside CGI co-stars, this was just another walk in the park for him.
I mean, the first movie was me and Sonic, or me and a tennis ball.
He's been able to maintain a great relationship with Schwartz, although not directly acting alongside him. Number 6. Tika Sumpter upgraded her role to the action hero in the sequel. Now interacting with CGI a lot more, she found it to be a little strange.
Yeah, just for the characters, you know, it was somebody else on set. We didn't get to talk to the Knuckles on set.
Giving all that emotion to a couple of golf balls on sticks may just have made her a seasoned improvisational actress.
You kind of, got the gist of it.
Number 7. Like her on-screen sister, Natasha Rothwell didn't do much in the first film, but now that she got her desires fulfilled, she had a very exhilarating time working with her CGI counterparts.
A weird thing to be looking earnestly at a tennis ball.
She recalls the lengthy filming experience, performing multiple takes from different angles, just for VFX artists to realistically add Sonic and friends to the scene. Number 8. Adam Pally's awkward persona fits right in as the cop sidekick Wade Whipple, and being one of the biggest Sonic video game fans, this was a dream role for him.
Sega Genesis was very popular in my house.
He claims director Jeff Fowler is the one who sold all the improvisational work, but knowing Adam, he was just given the freedom to shine next to his CG actors.
Jeff knows exactly what he's doing and he's thought about it.
Number 9. The comedic duo of a film always needs a sidekick straight man. He recalls having the same experiences with the VFX as his co-stars, really only harping on acting alongside his hero. Maybe the obsession for working with Carrey just made his performance much more believable.
It's weird. It's tough to put into words what that means.
Number 10. One character that has stayed true throughout the ventures of Sonic was his own mentor, Longclaw, voiced by Donna J. Folks. She didn't have much to do in the first film, but her role in the second is extremely crucial for Sonic to succeed in his quest. We are graced with the beloved voice actors of these films, and really got to know a lot of them through their voices and on-screen characters. Do you have any objections to the voice casting of these movies? We'd love to know. Leave a comment below.